our students. So without any delay, I request our MD ma'am for inaugurating the event by cutting the ribbon and let everyone step into the world of science and robotics. Please ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Parents, you can enjoy the exhibition now.
What's your real learning here? And how can this learning apply? How can you apply this learning into real field? So, at your stage, this question might be complicated, but
the basic function of this robot is to greet guests by sensing human presence. It can also determine the time and wish accordingly.
I'm going to be giving a brief description about the components of the robot. These are ultrasonic sensors which are responsible for detecting human presence at a distance of 30 centimeters.
Hello.
An Arduino
Good
Uno
morning.
board is attached to it at
Jai
the back
Shri
of it,
Krishna.
which is responsible
Welcome to the
take
Robotics
data
Exhibition at
grasped by
Rishi
the
Vidya
ultrasonic
Educational
sensors
School,
and determine
Jalna.
the time, whether if it's
Explore
morning or
innovation,
evening, and wish
creativity, and
It also
technology at its
consists of light
finest.
emitting diode in a
Have a
distance
nice
of
day.
100 centimeter and a
Thank you.
maximum liquid crystal display LCD which lights up in its size. It also consists of jumper wires which connect the devices which each other and also battery to provide alternating current.
We often use these robots in our daily life, such as in factories, hospitals, and schools, and many more places. Yes. Thank you.
Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna.
हाँ एक क्लास आहे बघा सेकंड क्लास
Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Robotics Exhibition at Rishi Vidya Educational School, Jalna. Explore innovation, creativity, and technology at its finest. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Robotics Exhibition at Rishi Vidya Educational School, Jalna. Explore innovation,
Bagaimana?
sender and one receiver. This is jumper wire. It connects all the components of this device. Now, member of this group will explain the working of this one.
The working of this project depends on the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor has two parts, the transmitter and the
We are here to present our project, that is obstacle avoiding robot. This robot is designed to navigate around obstacles with the many human interaction. Now Soham will explain about the components of the project.
The components of these robots are ultrasonic sensors which will sense the obstacle.
Ultrasonic sensors continuously send the sound waves and measure them live when it bounces back. And it sends every information to Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno board do all the calculation and checks how much far is the obstacle. If the obstacle is under 30 centimeter, it will change its path. Like that only it will scan its right and left side. If the obstacle is in left side, it will change its path to right side. And if the obstacle is in right side, it will change its path to left side. Now Bangladesh will explain the delivery calculation.
The same feature is used in the newly cast and the feature known as attach feature. In that feature, when the object comes close to the car stops itself before crashing it on the object, saving us from an accident. If we took this car and kept
This machine can ride by itself. And this is a metallic object. The electromagnet will attract the metallic object to it. And this arm will put the metallic object in this container. Now, if we want to put this object in this container, we can do it by other arm. Electric circuit so that the metallic object will fall down. लेकिन वो बनाने में टाइम लगता है मुझे उसका ये रहता है ना उसको खुद से पहले टाइप करना पड़ता है फिर पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर में कन्वर्ट करके
Okay. So it is expensive as well.
No, no, not expensive, time taking.
Not expensive.
Not that much expensive. We can afford.
components we use as stepper motor and if you know stepper motor direct
I'm just from the room.
जो DC अपनी जो बैटरी है ना वो DC है, उसको मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है।
If you put this in the water, it will detect the temperature of the water and then it will show it on the LCD display. Here, it's our next sensor. It will also detect the temperature, and if we have packed all the components of the model in this, and if we again put in the water, it will detect the temperature and show us on the side digital form. The system and temporal. Now, my friend Svara will tell you more about synapse cells. Arduino is able to
What is the use of register?
Arduino it is able to read inputs. You can tell what to do by sending a set of instructions. It is
You need to work on this project, guys. It's hitting. So if you make this type of car and give reasons, तो तुमको इतने सारे एक्सीडेंट क्या हुआ तुम? Right or wrong? So work on this project. Maybe next exhibition you all are going to give a perfect car. Sure?